If managing Docker containers feels like a terminal maze, Portainer might be exactly what you need. Let's break down what it does and whether it's worth adding to your stack. Portainer is a lightweight container management UI. It lets you manage Docker, Docker Swarm, and Kubernetes through a clean web dashboard. No CLI needed for most tasks. Setup is quick. You can run it with a single Docker command. Once it's up, you can spin up containers, monitor resources, manage volumes, networks, and even pull images right from the UI. It's perfect for teams who want visibility and control without DevOps overhead. And it works great for self-hosted apps, home labs, or even small-scale production. However, it's not a full-blown orchestration tool. It makes things easier, but it's still sitting on top of Docker or K8s. So if something breaks under the hood, you'll need to dig into logs. The free version is solid, but some enterprise features like RBAC and external auth are locked behind the business edition. Most devs love how visual and intuitive it is, especially for teaching Docker or managing small environments, but advanced users sometimes ditch it in favor of pure CLI when scaling gets serious. So, Portainer is perfect if you want a clean, hassle-free way to manage containers without drowning in command line flags. Not a full replacement for orchestrators, but an excellent UI layer on top of them. If this helped, hit like and maybe subscribe. I'm dropping more DevTool reviews weekly. Got thoughts on Portainer or a tool you think beats it? Let me know in the comments. Catch you in the next one.